recording? Oh, now we won't get any waves. You watch. Get more to ground level. Oh, come on! Where'd all the good ones go, Elder Lucy? There was one. Oh yeah. Oh, you feel that? Oh, we got a good one coming. That looks mean. That looks mean. It was mean. I can record continuously. Whoa! Minute 30 of this would do wonders. The moment you get closer to it. Aw, mate. What? Aw, gross. Now it's calm. Tells you to get close to it now, doesn't it? Jeez. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not happening, is it? You wait. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Don't fall, eh? Here we go. Here she blows. Yeah, it's coming. Oh. I'd watch out now. Oh, here we go. And again, oh, far out, mate. You got one coming. Look at that Lucy. He stands invincible. Oh, sheesh, mate. Do you see what I see? Oh, mate, that smells gross. You get a little wet? I don't think you're supposed to take a picture, mate. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. Bye-bye, Elder Lucy. You're going to get soaking wet before you know it, eh? Elder Lucy stands invincible, apparently. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen you move so quick. Oh, hot diggity dog. Alright, enough of that.